Shopify POS, a store owner's dream come true. If you own a store, then you know how important it is to have a good point of sale system. A POS system lets you track inventory, process payments, and manage customers. It's an essential tool for any business, and now there's a POS system that's specifically designed for stores that use Shopify. It's called Shopify POS, and it's a game changer. Here's everything you need to know about Shopify POS and why it's the best POS system for store owners who use Shopify. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a point-of-sale system that integrates with your Shopify store. That means that if you're already using Shopify to power your online store, then you can now use the same platform to run your brick-and-mortar store. With Shopify POS, you get all of the features that you love about Shopify, like ease of use, fast loading times, and 24/7 support, but now they're specifically designed for in-person transactions. Why is Shopify POS the best POS system for store owners? There are lots of reasons why store owners love Shopify POS, but here are just a few. Ease of use. With Shopify POS, there's no need to learn a whole new platform. If you already know how to use Shopify, then you'll be able to use Shopify POS with no problem. It's familiar and easy to use, which means that you can focus on running your store instead of trying to figure out how to use a complex POS system. Seamless integration. Since Shopify POS integrates with your existing Shopify account, all of your data will be seamlessly synced between your online and brick-and-mortar stores. That means that you never have to worry about losing data or duplicate entries. Everything will be automatically updated in real time. Affordable pricing. Most importantly, Shopify POS is an affordable option for store owners. Plus, there are no hidden costs or surprises. What you see is what you get. If you're a store owner who uses Shopify, then Shopify's POS is the best POS system for your business. With ease of use, seamless integration, and affordable pricing, Shopify's POS offers everything that store owners need in order to hit the road running. To get started with Shopify's POS today, click here.